Spacious 3-bedroom home in Staten Island. Welcome to 688 North Railroad, a delightful 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence offering an incredible opportunity for homeownership without HOA fees in the heart of Staten Island in the Dongan Hills neighborhood. Home features, hardwood floors throughout, a brand new HVAC system, and a new hot water tank, ensuring comfort and efficiency. Additional features, finished basement with laundry room has high ceilings, 2-car driveway, plus an expansive backyard perfect for gatherings and outdoor fun. This home combines convenience with comfort and ideal location near shopping, transportation, bus and train, highways, and VERRAZZANO Bridge. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to customize this house your dream home. Schedule a showing today and explore the potential this charming Dongan Hills home has to offer.